Friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Kaye Lanhi, also known as Kay, and we're kicking off another video, y'all. What's new at TEMU video. Yeah, you seen the title. If this is your first time here, hey, hello, how are you? What have you been up to? So glad that you stopped through, and I hope that you stay. Like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with everyone you know, and I do mean everyone. And for all my returning subscribers, give me a hug. And speaking of returning, all my new subbies, baby, we are almost at 2K. I cannot believe it. You guys showed up and showed out. Y'all sharing, liking, thumbs up, and everything to my last TEMU haul, and I thank you so much. So, because that did so well, I decided that I want to come back and do another kind of a part two-ish spring and summer, but I wanted to do a sandal edition because not only do I look at their clothes and question if it's good quality or if it's gonna last or whatever, I think about their shoes too, especially when it comes to the sizing and stuff. So this is Kaye Lanhi bringing you some news that you can use. I'm doing a review so you don't have to. So if that sounds like something you want to see, stay tuned. Now y'all know me. If you've been watching me for a while, y'all know I like to nickname people, places, things, all that. So this is not going to be any different. It's definitely going to be just like last time. I'm going to show you what I ordered versus what I got. I want to make sure that I show you the price and the name I gave them and why I gave it. So I think that'll make it, you know, a little fun and interesting. So let's just jump into it. This first pair I got, I named Gloria. This is Gloria. I named these Gloria because Gloria is like that aunt or that sister that's like, she's smart. She's smart. She got a she made good grades in school, and she got a good job. She got herself together. She has the house with the picket fence, the husband, and the children. But she also feels like she's missing something. She feels like I did all this for this perfect life, but I'm missing something. So she likes to play it safe. So that, like I said, that's what I ordered, and this is what I got. See, it's the little diamond and this is what I got. I think that it came, it was almost spot on, and it probably would have been 100% spot on, but I think it was more of my expectations. I was thinking that it was more of a burgundy, and it's giving off more red, which is fine. I do have a video of me with the shoe actually on that I'll include in this. But yes, this is playing it safe. To me, Gloria plays it safe because of the family and the friends. It's like, oh, I'm gonna give you a little toe and a little ankle, and that's it. But I think these are real, like, conservative, almost like conservative. Yes, my assistant has made a my assistant is here. So yes, you guys tell me what you think of Gloria. And a soft disclaimer, she don't have no big foot, but she don't have no small one either. So all these shoes, I would definitely say size up. I would definitely say, because I am a dime, and I sized up to 11 in sandals. I tend to do that when the back is out anyway, just to give me a little wiggle room. But I would definitely say size up with these shoes. So here's Gloria. Gloria was $8.39. I definitely think it was worth it for the price. They're comfortable. They slide on, and yeah, I love them. I just wish they were the burgundy that I thought they were. But other than that, I love them. All right. Now, everybody have either a cousin, a great aunt, or a sister-in-law or something named Renee. This next shoe is Renee. Now, Renee is bold. She got an attitude sometimes. Could be a little controlling. But that's okay. We gotta love Renee, and we respect Renee. And so this right here is Renee. Renee, it was when at my time of purchase, Renee was $7.99. And this is what I ordered, and this is what I got. It has a slight soft feel to it. The green the camera is not doing the green justice. The green is absolutely awesome. I absolutely love this. This right here is so soft on your foot, and this is I absolutely love Renee. You need these. You need these. This video ain't sponsored, honey, yet. This is me just telling you on the strength of what I like. And these are a go. They come in several different colors, so check them out. All of the links, y'all, finally will be linked below. All right, guys, let's get into this next look. Now, this next look, it's like a twofer. It's because they twins. And it's Carla and Kayla. This is what I ordered, and this is what I got. Yeah, these nice thong sandals between the toe. Now, I will say this. When I first put this on, it was a little uncomfortable at first, but I walked around in them for a little bit, and it's like instantly it wasn't. I'm going to put a little video on the side of what these look like, but baby, I don't think the camera's giving it justice. But these are good. These are good. I think you should definitely have these because it's this cute brown, which kind of can go with anything, a gold or anything. And I really love the little circle, the circle detail. And this is Carla. And these are Kayla. I also have them in black. Get into these. They have this, they're soft. They're not as soft as the green ones, but y'all know we got the travel series which will start the absolute next video that you see from me. I think I'm gonna go live first and then I'll have the travel video out, but I would definitely give a update on how all of these sandals fit. The twins, they are $7.19 a piece, and again, they will be linked below. But y'all, these are good for $7. Like, why not? These are good. So yeah, y'all tell me what you think down in the comments, and let's get into this next one. All right, y'all. Baby, these so ooh-wee, baby. I had to name these Sheila. Cause baby, they have their own theme song. Oh Sheila. Oh baby. These got their own theme song. And if you don't know that song, then you're probably too young to be watching this video. So share it with your mom and them. But anyway, y'all, Sheila. Let me show you what. This is what I ordered. And let me show you shit. And this is what I got. Y'all, look at Sheila. Now y'all know I'm a Garanimal girl. I love a good print. I don't know what the hell I'm gonna wear these with yet, but I had to have them. And as I say and I do this, they go good with their glasses. So I'll probably be wearing these glasses with it. But other than that, I don't know. Probably some jeans and a white beater. Keep it simple. Yeah, and a cute little clutch. Yeah. Cause these are, yeah. This coming up under some jeans with something streamlined as some denim jeans and a white shirt. Yes. Yes, these are so nice. These are a must have. I love the way they feel. Again, Sheila's was only $4.55. Only $4.55. Girl, y'all got $5 for these. Go ahead and get these. Get these. You won't regret it. I love them. I can see this with I can see this with everything, to be perfectly honest with you. I literally have a swimsuit and a cover-up that's made just like this. I would not put these on with that and have y'all talking about me. No, I won't do it. But If I was extra and just didn't care, I would. Like, why not? I might do it just for a picture, just to give the people something to say. Anyway, y'all, let's get into this next look. This next look, y'all, is my absolute favorite. I love them because it's like a statement piece. They kind of enter the room before you do. They can go with like everything. They could be they can be a little bit much depending on your personality, but I'm a lot. I'm a lot. So they work for me. Now with these, they give off a little, like I said, they command the room. So I named these Veronica. Y'all ready? Let me show y'all Veronica. Baby, Veronica's so potent. You can't even really get the look because of the lighting. Hold on, let me bring it a little closer. Girl, let me do the YouTube hand. Hold on. Okay. Yo, this right here is like walking on cushion. They are pleasantly so comfortable. These are probably the cutest to me, in my opinion, and the most comfortable pair out of all of them. I absolutely love these shoes. Let me put the video up where you can see what they look like on the side. Y'all look. Oh my God. I'm really trying to show you guys the shoe. Like I said, all these are I sized up, and I'm glad I did. And yes, they were worth every penny. I don't know what bag I would wear with these because I don't want to be too extra, but this is something that you can actually dress up or dress down. Like, these are the type of shoes that if you're out and about and your feet start hurting, if you put these on, you still look like you got on like heels, but not really. But they so you don't even look like this bitch done put on flats because her feet hurt. You don't think that. You think like, oh my God, where'd she get them sandals from? See? So yeah, I really like these. These are Veronicas. And if I haven't said it, these are $8.39 at my time of purchase. So y'all. Now I know y'all probably thinking, that's it? No. I have a bonus. I actually have showed them on my channel before, but it was included in a vlog, and it was so quick that you probably missed it. So I just wanted to bring them back because they did come from TEMU as well, I don't have the price of that, but I will link it at the bottom when I get ready to show you guys. And this is Nikki and Vicky. Meet Nikki. I know y'all see these, baby. These always on the TEMU front page. Like, I've seen them so many times. That's why I went and got them. What I didn't know when I ordered them is that they have the back to them, which is fine because it keep your foot in it. But y'all, these are so nice. So nice. I really, really like them. They look a little, this threw me off. Like, I ain't gonna lie, like, whoever put this together was kind of sleep. Like, but if you go back like this, you can't really tell that it's a little off. But you know, hey, it's from TEMU. You can't expect perfect, but hey, ain't nobody gonna be this close to my foot, so it's fine. But yeah, this is Nikki, and let me show you Vicky. Here's Vicky. So yes, y'all. Even if you add these to the price, and plus they knocked off, you know, if you order off for TEMU, they knock off the prices. So even if I added these two, they were just above $50. And of course, y'all know I use my favorite thing to pay with, which is Afterpay. So I ain't paying nothing about $11 for all the shoes up front. Y'all, let me tell you something. I don't care how rich I get. If I can break the payment down in full, I'm gonna do it. I don't care if I got the money in the bank. I'm gonna do it, because why? What point am I trying to prove paying it all up front? For bragging rights? Y'all, ain't nobody gonna know but me. So yes, I did use Afterpay and paid $11, and yeah, and we'll do it again. But y'all, if you made it to this part of the video, you are the real MVP. I love you. I appreciate you. I thank you guys so much for the last video. I hope we show out for this one as well. If you not have not had the pleasure of subscribing, go ahead and do so now. Share this video with anyone. Share this video and like and comment and tell me which ones were your favorite. I'll have the names, the nicknames, along with the actual names, along with the links and the prices listed below in the description box. So do not miss that. So again, thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.